Hello guys, welcome back to Code and Test, your ultimate hub for tech skills and certification. Today we are diving into AWS Certified Solution Architect dumps, and that too on the ninth part. I have already completed eight part of this certification. You can, if you have not watched the prior videos, just go through all the remaining eight videos which has been posted earlier, then come to the ninth part so that you can clear your exam in the first attempt itself. So as I said already, this is the certification roadmap for AWS, and we are in the solution architect. So I'll be posting terms for the upcoming exams as well in the pipeline. So here in the exam patterns and how you want to tackle the exam and how the question pattern, everything we have covered in the first video itself. I'm not going to repeat the same thing. So let's jump into the questions. So already I have covered 250 questions in the first eight videos. So it's the ninth video. So if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe my channel so that you'll get to know what are the terms you have to study to pass the exam in the first attempt itself. So I'll be putting some background music now, so you can study now from 250 to this will be the last part of this dumps. You don't want to worry about any, you don't want to study about anything. If you have a basic concepts of AWS and if you're studying the dumps in a proper way, you can clear the exams in the first attempt itself. Cheers, guys! Happy learning. So guys, congratulations if you are with me for the last 7 to 8 videos and being the ninth video, if you have completed all the nine video at a shot or might be in a week or however, If you completed all these 9 videos and if you can recollect all the questions, then you are good to go for your exams. So let me know once you have taken the exam and whether how much score you have scored over there. So all the best, guys. Happy learning. So once again, if you have not subscribe my channel to get the upcoming videos as well. So I'm planning to start my data engineering, Azure data engineering certification in the next video. If you are planning to attempt for or try to the Azure data engineering certification in the first attempt, please subscribe the channel so that you'll get all the terms as well as training materials how to pass the exams the first. Thank you guys. All the best. Happy learning. Bye bye.